Latest catch, Asad. Asad Pakistan Empire has been removed from ICC Trophy Champion, which is to be held in next month June, because he has been questioned by Mumbai police in connection with IPL spot fixing, and even for receiving gifts from Jaipur continuously, and even for a complaint on him of sexual harassment while he was in India.
The advanced supplementary exams for the intermediate students start on 22nd, but to surprise, 34,533 students did not attend the examination. The timings were from 9 to 12 and 2:30 to 5:30, where in the morning section 6 students were caught copying and in the afternoon section 10 students were caught copying.
MJ's sister, Janet Jackson, becomes a millionaire. After working for 4 decades in entertainment industry, now JJ is a billionaire. This multi-talented performer earned 558 millions from concert tours and 304 millions from film roles, 260 millions from albums, 81 millions in sponsorship deals. In addition to this, she married a billionaire. She got popular by Rhythm Nation all over the world and even tried to get into his brother's place. Jobs for unemployed. CM gave green signal for unemployed to get jobs in AP, PSC, Police Commission Board and DSP. They have the vacancies of 34,450 posts. Till now, 1.5 lakhs posts have been filled up. The remaining 85,000 posts are left for the remaining unemployed.
Illegally occupied lands. The Hyderabad Mayor Mohammad Majid Hussain and GHMC Commissioner MT Krishna Babu visited the drainage sewers yesterday. Due to the pending work, they told the engineers to finish the work by the end of this month. He visited areas like Banjara Function Hall, Ahmednagar Pension Payment Office, Gulimalkapur, Bola Nagar. They observed that the number of workers working are in very less amount and ensured to increase the workers. During their visit in Ahmednagar First Lands, Bada Bazar Bridge and Usman PT Bridge were illegally occupied. The GHMC Deputy Commissioner Circle Number 7 gave an order to remove the people involved in the illegally occupying of government lands with the help of town planning officers.
Youth died because of the rise in temperature. No matter whether it is North India or South India, temperature is continuously rising day by day. In the city yesterday, the temperature was recorded as 44 degrees Celsius, because of which one youth died in the bus while traveling after writing his intermediate supplementary exam. Because of this heat, more 57 people have died in Andhra Pradesh. South Central Railway provides a phone for passengers. The South Central Railway has provided a phone number for the complaint if the passengers are facing any kind of problem on corruption from TC of the train. The phone number is 701370053. The passengers can call or SMS on this number. And they also said that if the passengers calls on the old phone number, the complaint will not be accepted.
Mayappan involved in the spot fixing. Gurunath Mayappan, team principal of Chennai Super Kings and son-in-law of BCCI President N. Srinivasan, is being accused in placing bets in the IPL cricket scandal. Bollywood actor Vindu Dhara Singh has been successful after his friendship with Mr. Mayappan. According to his confession, he met Mayappan 2 years ago and had involved in this scandal and had earned more than 17 lakhs for the first time.
Free roaming likely from October. The telecom regulatory has completed the process on the nationwide free roaming, and it will be recommended in the next 10 to 15 days. The authority is in the process of formulating the final rules in the next 10 to 15 days. The government will start national free roaming for the customers before October of this year. The industry source said national roaming is proposed to be done through special tariff vouchers and bringing down the roaming prices as a first step.
The Abhay Gold Chit Funds fraud. The Abhay Gold Chit Fund company turned out to be a problematic for the people. This company was started 4 years back in Vijayawada. The main theme of this branch is to give more and more interest, due to which 120 branches of it was established in the whole AP, with 60,000 agents in total. But since last 6 months, this agency did not give their deposits of 120 crore of the people and the checks were bounced. There were 30 cases registered on this chit fund in the whole AP. The Abhay Gold MD Kukatla Srinivas Rao was arrested yesterday in a hotel at Madhapur.